This is a question from number 3 from the topic divisibility. And the question is prove that 10 raised to power n plus 3 into 4 raised to power n plus 2 plus 5 is divisible by 9 for n greater than equal to 1. Here n is an integer greater than equal to 1, that is n is a positive integer. And the solution is here we prove this question by using principle of mathematical induction. And for this we prove the result for n is equal to 1. Then we assume that our this term is divisible by 9 for n is equal to k, and then we prove that result is divisible by 9, that is our this result is true for n is equal to k plus 1. So we proceed as let Pn. We gave this term a name Pn. Pn is equal to 10 raised to power n plus 3 into 4 raised to power n plus 2 plus 5. Let us assume this. Now put n is equal to 1. Then P1 is equal to 10 raised to power 1 plus 3 into 4 raised to power 1 plus 2 plus 5. And this becomes 10 plus 3 into 64. 4 raised to power 3 becomes 64 and plus 5. And after calculation we got 10 plus 192 plus 5 is equal to 207. So P1 is equal to 207, and clearly it is divisible by 9. So P1 is divisible by 9 means our result is true for n is equal to 1. Now let result is true for n is equal to k. That is pk is divisible by 9, and our pk is 10 raised to power k plus 3 into 4 raised to power k plus 2 plus 5. Pk is divisible by 9, and by definition of divisibility pk is equal to 9m. We get an integer m such that pk is equal to 9m, where m is some integer. Next we check for n is equal to k plus 1. Pk plus 1 is equal to 10k plus 1 plus 3 into 4k plus 1 plus 2 plus 5. We only put value of n is equal to k plus 1 in Pn. This becomes 10 raised to power k into 10 plus 3 into 4. We separate these terms as pk because we use the term pk, the star equation. Pk is equal to 10k plus 3 into 4k plus 2 plus 5. So we need 3 into 4k plus 2. So for using this, we solve as 10k into 10 plus 3 into 4. We need 4 raised to power k plus 2. So for we keep this 4 raised to power 4 raised to power k plus 2 and 3 into 4 separately plus 5. Then put value of pk same as 10k plus 3 into 4k plus 2 plus 5. And then my first term is 10 raised to power k into 10. Take 10 common. This becomes, then first term is 10 into 10 raised to power k. So this is same. Next, next term is 10 into 3, 30 into 4 raised to power k plus 2. But we need 4 into 3, 12 raised to power k plus 2. So we subtract 18 into 4k plus 2, so that 30 into 4k plus 2 minus 18 into 4k plus 2 is 12 4k plus 2. Next, our term becomes 10 into 5, 50, and we need only 5. So we subtract 45. and this becomes 10. This is our pk, and pk value of pk is 9m from star equation. Then this becomes 10 into 9m minus 18 into 4 raised to power k plus 2 minus 45. This becomes 90m minus 18 into 4k plus 2 minus 45. Then take 9 common from all these terms. 9 common. Then remaining terms are 10m minus 2 into 4k plus 2 minus 5. Give this a new name A. Then this becomes pk plus 1 is equal to 9a. And from the definition of divisibility, 9 divides pk plus 1, and this is true. And this result is true only when 9 divides pk. Hence, result is true for n is equal to k plus 1 when result is true for n is equal to k. Then by principle of mathematical induction, Pn is divisible by 9 for all n greater than equal to 1.